Hi children, I thought we'd do a little phonics session together. So I've made my own little phonics board here with the things that I had at home. So it'll look a little bit different from usual, but hopefully you'll still be able to join in. To do this phonics lesson, you're going to need a pen and a piece of paper or a pencil. So if you want to pause the video now and go and find that and then come back. Okay, so we're all ready. Today we're going to do a little bit of recap about some sounds that we have been learning in year one. These are quite tricky and we keep forgetting these when we're reading. So we're going to start by looking at this sound. What does it say? Oh, I think I heard somebody say it there. It's or. You learnt this sound in reception, so you should know it really well. I'll put it up there with all our vowel sounds at the top and our consonants that are at the bottom. In year one, we've learnt two new ways to say that sound. We've learnt this way, the AW spelling of the OR sound. I'll put that up there next to our OR sound. And the other way we've learnt, does anyone remember? Is the AU spelling of the OR sound. So I'll put that up here together. We're going to practice saying some words and sounding out some words with these sounds in them. Can you help me? So, okay, let's sound out this word together. P, or, n. P, on. Prawn. I like to eat prawn cocktail. Okay, our next word. So we've got a digraph here at the beginning, our vowel digraph in the middle and our consonant at the end. Help me sound it out. Sh, or, t, sh, or, t, short. Ms Fothers is quite short. Mrs Dowling is very tall. Okay, and our last one. Let me see. We'll start with a consonant. Then we'll have our OR sound. And then we're going to have this digraph, which is quite tricky. When these two letters come together, when a C is followed by an E, an I or a Y, it's called a soft C. And do you remember what sound it makes? Oh, yes, you're right. It's a S sound. So, S or S, S or S, sauce. I like tomato sauce on my chips. Well done. Give yourselves a pat on the back. So, the next thing we're going to do is our words. So, remember, we're looking out for real words and alien words. And we know which ones are nonsense words because they have our pictures of aliens on them. Now, these words have got all three spellings of the OR sound in them. So, let's have a go. Oh, this one must be a nonsense word because there's our alien. Can you help me sound it out? S, or, p, slop, slop. Next one. Oh, I'm going to swap that one so we've got a real word next. Here is our next word. Help me sound it out. Did you say it? Let's say it together. Or, ch. Launch. When will the rocket launch? Here's another word, a real word, no aliens. Sound it out. Remember this sound at the end. When it comes at the end of a word, it sometimes just says d. K, my baby crawled across the carpet. Another real word. Sound it out for me. Let's sound it out together. Order, 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 ordering. We have been ordering our numbers to 20. Another word here. Let's have an alien word. So here is our alien. Let's just check along here. We've got a digraph there and a split digraph there. So be careful when you sound it out. Sound it out for me. Let's sound it out together. N, or, p, a, l. Norpale. Does sound like a load of old nonsense. Next word. Sound it out for me. Let's sound it out together. D, or, n. Drawing. I love drawing. We all know that Ms Fothers likes drawing. So, our last alien word. Sound it out for me. Remember that sound at the end makes a d sound on its own. Ch, or, p, d. Chopped. Load of old nonsense. Next word. Sound it out for me. Let's sound it out together. H, or, n, t, ed. H, or, n, t, ed. Haunted. At Halloween, I saw a haunted house. Haunted. And our last word. Sound it out for me. Let's sound it out together. Ready? Sk, orch. Sk, orch. Scorch. I hope the iron doesn't scorch my clothes. Scorch. Well done, children. Now, this is where you need your piece of paper and your pencil or your pen. So, I would like you to write the word fawn for me using this digraph. Fawn. A fawn is a baby deer. See if you can write it down for me. Fawn. Well done. Okay, have we finished? Great. Okay, next word, quite a long one, so let's sound it out together. The word is ordering. We're going to use this digraph for the or sound, ordering. Let's stretch out the sounds. Or, d, I, n. 5 sounds. Or, d, I, n. Ordering. Have a go at writing it. Sound it out. Or, d, I, n. Ordering. Have you finished? Great. Our last word, really tricky. Put your brains up to the high setting and listen really carefully. The word is astronaut. Astronaut. We're going to use this digraph for the or sound in astronaut. So let's sound it out together because there are a lot of sounds. Ast, or, n, t. Ast, n, or, t. I think I got it wrong the first time. Ast, n, or, t. 8 sounds in the word astronaut. Have a go. Ast, n, or, t. Astronaut. Have a go. See what you can do. Okay, have you done that? Let's have a look and see if you were right. Here are my words. If you haven't already written your sound buttons on, we can do that together. Have a look. A fawn Fawn is a baby deer. Fawn. Fawn. We are ordering our numbers to 50. Ordering. And here comes the extra tricky one. I think Ms Fothers made a mistake the first time. I hope you haven't made a mistake. Let's do it together. Astronaut. Astronaut. Oh my goodness. If you got that one right, definitely give yourselves a pat on the back. Well done. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do in our phonics lesson is our reading our sentences. Now what we usually do is we do our sound spotting for our tricky words, our key words that we can't sound out, and then we leave the sounding out ones to the end. So let's have a look. Can you spot a key word in my sentence that we can't sound out? There are two key words there that we can't sound out. Let's have a look. The and was. Okay, which means that we can sound out the other words in this sentence. So let's have a go. The house. The house was haunted. Let's read the whole sentence together. The house was haunted. Okay, next sentence. So let's have a look for those key words that we can't sound out. I think we've just got the word the there. All the other words we can sound out. So let's sound this out together then. When, when will the rocket, when will the rocket launch? Let's read the whole sentence together. When will the rocket launch? Well done. Good reading. See you again soon.